If 4 cos theta is equal to 11, find the value of 11 cos theta minus 7 sin theta divided by 11 cos theta plus 7 sin theta. Given 4 cos theta is equal to 11 sin theta. 11 sin theta is equal to 4 cos theta. Sin theta divided by cos theta is equal to 4 by 11. Tan theta is equal to 4 by 11. 11 cos theta minus 7 sin theta divided by 11 cos theta plus 7 sin theta is equal to, divide each term by cos theta, that is 11 cos theta by cos theta is equal to 11 minus 7 sin theta by cos theta is equal to 7 tan theta divided by 11 cos theta by cos theta is equal to 11 plus 7 sin theta by cos theta is equal to 7 tan theta is equal to 11 minus 7 into 4 by 11 divided by 11 plus 7 into 4 by 11 is equal to 11 minus 7 into 4 by 11 is equal to 28 divided by 11 divided by 11 plus 28 by 11 is equal to 11 11s are 121 minus 28 divided by 11 divided by 11 11s are 121 plus 28 divided by 11 is equal to 121 minus 28, that is 93 divided by 121 plus 28, 149. Here 11 11 cancel. Therefore 11 cos theta minus 7 sin theta divided by 11 cos theta plus 11 cos theta plus 7 sin theta is equal to 93 divided by 149.